Welcome back to HK Auto Garage. Today we're taking a step back in time to explore an automotive icon, the 1950 Chevrolet Corvette C1. Starting with the exterior, the 1950 Corvette C1 set a new standard for American sports cars. Its sleek aerodynamic body was heavily inspired by European roadsters, but with a distinctive American flair. The fiberglass body, a revolutionary feature at the time, gave it a lightweight yet sturdy design. The front grille features a wide, toothy chrome layout, giving it an aggressive yet stylish look. The rounded fenders, flowing body lines, and white wall tires add to its vintage charm. With a low-slung profile and a convertible top, the Corvette C1 was designed for both performance and elegance. The rear showcases simple yet sophisticated tail fins and round tail lights, completing the classic roadster aesthetic. Inside, the Corvette C1's cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and simplicity. The two-seat cockpit is wrapped in premium leather, with a classic dual-gauge instrument cluster that provides all essential driving information. The dashboard features chrome accents, a large speedometer, and a stylish steering wheel with a Corvette emblem at its center. The bucket seats are comfortable, offering a snug fit for a true sports car feel. The convertible top allows for open-air driving, enhancing the experience. Though basic by today's standards, the interior exudes a timeless elegance that makes every ride feel special. Now, let's talk performance. The 1950 Corvette C1 was initially expected to feature a V8, but early prototypes came with a 3.9-liter inline-six engine producing around 150 horsepower. Paired with a two-speed Powerglide automatic transmission, it wasn't the fastest car on the road, but it offered smooth acceleration and a thrilling open-top driving experience. The lightweight fiberglass body and independent front suspension made it agile, while the rear leaf spring setup kept it stable. Though not a powerhouse by modern standards, the Corvette C1 laid the foundation for the high-performance sports cars that followed. As for pricing, the Corvette C1 was initially priced around $3,500 in its early years. Today, depending on condition and rarity, a well-preserved model can fetch anywhere from $80,000 to over $200,000 at auctions. Pristine, all-original models or rare early prototypes can command even higher prices, making it a valuable collector's item. That wraps up our review of the legendary 1950 Corvette C1. What do you think of this timeless American classic? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HK Auto Garage for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next one.